Hello everyone, hope you're having a wonderful Saturday evening. Continuing this evening from this afternoon, we have an enhanced risk of severe weather in southeastern Texas, and that's going to continue through the evening and nighttime hours. And the prominent hazards at play with this event are strong winds and large hail. Additionally, for tomorrow, we have two slight risks forecast, one for the Ohio Valley Mid-South region, and the other for the southeastern Colorado, Texas, and Oklahoma panhandles. The prominent hazards at play for both of these slight risks are also strong winds and large hail. Now looking into the overall weather setup, this map's a little bit dated, but it's definitely still worth going over as there's a lot going on. First off tonight, as you can see by that yellow slashed area, that a very unstable air mass remains over southeastern Texas ahead of ongoing clusters of storms over the Piney Woods and Sabine River Valley areas. That's going to continue for several more hours throughout the night. And then for tomorrow, you can see a cold front over the northern plains. That's going to push through the mid-south into tomorrow, causing that eastern slight risk, with the surface low associated with it over Nebraska, pushing northeastward into the Ohio Valley region. And then tomorrow as well, a strong mid-level flow associated with an upper low currently over southern California and kind of near the California-Nevada border will spread through the central and southern plains, bringing severe thunderstorms for that slight risk area. Now looking at the official forecast, we got the Storm Prediction Center 4-panel. And as you can see, by far the most prominent hazards are hail and wind. Those are the bottom two panels, both at 30% for several regions in southeastern Texas. I'm not sure about these. I believe that does include Houston. I might be slightly off there. But still, definitely a lot of people in southeastern Texas are currently under the influence of this system. And the tornado outlook, there's a small one, but it's not by far a small hazard in comparison, only about a 2% risk for this system. And then going to tomorrow's 4-panel, you can see pretty much the same thing. You have a 15% hail risk in both areas, as well as a 15% wind risk. Once again, those bottom two panels, and also a slight 2% tornado risk. Well, I should say marginal tornado risk for both those areas as well. And looking at the weather model, this is the HRRR model for tonight in southeastern Texas. As you can see, this cluster of storms is moving, going to continue moving southward and southeastward, nearing the coast near the Texas-Louisiana border, and then the convection is going to slowly die off that is associated with this system. Looking at tomorrow, this is for the Ohio Valley. We're now switching to the NAM model, as we do need a longer range for this, but as you can see, these storms are going to be just sweeping through Missouri, Western Kentucky, Tennessee throughout tomorrow. Some flare-ups in Kentucky and Tennessee. This model is also in 3-hour increments instead of 1-hour increments like the previous model, so it does appear that the storms are moving quickly, but that's because they're in a larger increment. And then here is the central and southern plains for tomorrow, once again, with the NAM model. And as you can see, towards the end, we get a little bit of activity in the Oklahoma Panhandle, but not the most activity associated with this area. But still definitely something to watch out for. So what can you do? While tornadoes are not the greatest hazard with any of these risks, it is still definitely worth knowing in case one does happen. During a tornado, make sure to seek shelter in a basement or a sturdy building, stay away from bridge or highway overpasses, and if strong wind and flying debris occur when driving, pull over, put your head down below the windows, and cover your head with your hands. During thunderstorms, watch out for signs of a storm like darkening skies, lightning flashes, or increasing wind. Postpone any outdoor activities if thunderstorms are likely to occur if you're in these regions, and do not take a bath, shower, or use plumbing during a thunderstorm. That's going to be it from us tonight. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what we do, you can always support us by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. And if you would like to chat with us or other weather enthusiasts in our community, you can always join our Discord. The link is in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful evening.